Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and as we look at what are some of the new features of the next version of Windows, the May 2020 update, or version 2004 or 20H1. Of course, one feature per video. We have a series of videos for all the main features, and of course several features within the same feature. So this is the series that we're doing right now. So this is coming soon, once again. It should be available probably in May because the version is in release preview. Usually that indicates that it's soon to be released. So one of the features that has been improved, it's already been there, it already existed, but when you go into Task View, one of the things that you could do was to have virtual desktops, and each desktop could be a separate desktop for different things that you do, and have several virtual desktops available depending on, a work virtual desktop, a gaming virtual desktop. You could have that all running and switch between virtual desktops if you wish. And this was something that was nice. Now, the virtual desktops weren't before. You could not rename the virtual desktops. Now they gave this new possibility. So when you actually go into virtual desktops, you actually will have the name of the virtual desktop you're using. So you can name it, like main window or main desktop. You can name one gaming or work or internet, and have, of course, each desktop have the virtually the things you're doing, basically. And so you can group all of that, of course, in the desktop. And the easiest way to do this is when you do a new desktop, you simply click on the top name and you just rename it. And that's it. And of course, they still work in the same way. You still can switch with the tab. You can, of course, click the X to remove the desktops you're not using, and so on. And that's available in the Task View, of course. So, this is another great way to go in between virtual desktops on your PC and actually know where you are and what desktop you want to choose thanks to the naming of that desktop. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.